In Uttar Pradesh, the election-bound state, could there be a new alliance coming up, and that of the Samajwadi Party and the Aam Aadmi Party in UP polls? This, you're looking at a fresh photograph that has now emerged of Aam Aadmi Party Member of Parliament Sanjay Singh, who met Samajwadi Party, of course, one of the founder members, Mulayam Singh Yadav, and appears after his birthday. And this meeting that has taken place with Akhilesh Yadav also. And what we can tell you now, and I quote here, we are talking with each other, heading toward an alliance. This statement has come, remember, Aam Aadmi Party's Sanjay Singh after meeting with Akhilesh. So, of course, a bouquet has been presented to Mulayam Singh Yadav as well. But there is a meeting that has happened between Aam Aadmi Party Sanjay Singh, who's basically looking at supervising what the Uttar Pradesh election could be for AAP, and the Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav.
अखिलेश यादव से और पहले भी मुलाकात कई बारी हो चुकी है। क्या आज की मुलाकात इस मामले में अहम माना जाए कि आप लोगों की गठबंधन की कोई बातचीत बढ़ी है?
देखिए, उत्तर प्रदेश को भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कुशासन से मुक्त कराना है। एक ऐसा शासन जहां पे छोटी छोटी बच्चियों के साथ बलात्कार की घटनाएं हुई, एक ऐसा शासन जहां पर किसानों को कुचला गया, एक ऐसा शासन जहां पर बेरोजगारों को लाठियां मिली और मुकदमे मिले। इस शासन से उत्तर प्रदेश को मुक्त कराने के लिए कुछ कॉमन एजेंडा पे रणनीतिक चर्चा हुई है अखिलेश यादव जी के साथ, और इस दिशा में बात आगे बढ़ी है।
तो गठबंधन, आपने कॉमन एजेंडे की बात की, तो क्या माना जाए कि गठबंधन की तरफ आप बढ़ रहे हैं, गठबंधन होगा?
अभी जो जितनी चर्चा हुई है, जितनी बातचीत हुई है, वो आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूं। गठबंधन को लेके अगर कोई अंतिम निर्णय होता है, अंतिम बातचीत तय होती है, तो वो भी आपकी जानकारी में लाएंगे। लेकिन फिलहाल प्राथमिकता ये है कि उत्तर प्रदेश से भारतीय जनता पार्टी का शासन, आदित्यनाथ जी का कुशासन, जिसकी वजह से आज रोजगार खत्म हो गया, जिसकी वजह से आज किसान त्राहि त्राहि कर रहा है, जिसकी वजह से आज अस्पतालों की व्यवस्था बदतर है, कोरोना की महामारी में लोगों ने पीड़ा झेली, और हर स्तर पे जो आज उत्तर प्रदेश पीछे गया है, इस शासन को हटाना है। ये प्राथमिकता आम आदमी पार्टी की भी।
सर, आपने
Abhishek Mishra also tracking all the latest. Abhishek, Jayant Chaudhary of the Rashtriya Lok Dal already has announced that meeting with Samajwadi Party, now AAP. What does it mean in terms of numbers? Can this possible grand alliance make a difference there and change the game in UP?
Well, Pooja, that is only a bigger question in front of Akhilesh Yadav, with the fact how he is doing this alliance with all these minor parties in RLD. What happened yesterday with the meet along with Jayant Chaudhary, around 30 to 32 seats is something which looks like the RLD might get. But on the other hand, this particular meet of Sanjay Singh with Akhilesh Yadav, now Sanjay Singh has confirmed that they are looking at an alliance and they want to, come together to defeat BJP. But the numbers are going to be very troubling, because Akhilesh Yadav is already going to have big trouble with accommodating all these partners, be it Rajbhar, be it RLD, and now Sanjay Singh. They already have alliance with other parties as well. And Shivpal Yadav, his chacha, he's also claiming that, not less than 100 seats is what he's looking for. So that is going to be a big tussle for Akhilesh Yadav. But with these alliance talks are in the initial phase, it looks like that Akhilesh Yadav would like to accommodate all of them. What's going to be the formula, and what will be the agenda, because there has to be a common agenda for all these ally partners. So that is something which the party needs to work on. But it looks like the Samajwadi Party and the Aam Aadmi Party both are keen on this alliance, and there is a possibility that there could be a comfortable number to make this alliance happen for 2022. Yes.
Abhishek, thank you so much for the latest on that. It appears more calculations and permutations, combinations happening in UP. More breaking news coming in. Let's take a look. Samajwadi Party ally Rajbhar has invited Asaduddin Owaisi of the AIMIM for a possible tie-up. Now Rajbhar has decided to welcome Owaisi to join Akhilesh Yadav if he wants. Now remember, the Samajwadi Party ally has said, and I just quote here, ready to give Owaisi 100 seats, not 10, unquote. Has Owaisi managed to get that clout in UP that the Samajwadi Party ally has decided to welcome him? Listen into what he has said.
अच्छा वैसे हम साथ आएंगे कि नहीं? बहुत देर हो गई, बहुत देर नहीं।
हम देखिए, हमारा प्रयास है, जो लोग बीजेपी को शिकस्त देना चाहते हैं वो 100 सीट का सपना ना देखें, वो 10 सीट लड़ें। 100 सीट कौन देगा इस धरती पर?